Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make animal pancakes. So we're going to make pancakes and make them look like animals. Um, the first thing that we're going to do is turn on our burner. I've already washed my hands so you don't have to watch me do that again. I'm going to turn on my burner just above medium. And the ingredients that we're going to need today are you can get a pancake mix if you buy pancake mix, or you can just make it at home. 2 cups of flour, a fourth a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of milk. So, and then we're going to need some fruit, and I already cut up some fruit for later today. So here's my mixing bowl. Here's my flour. So 1 cup of flour. 2 cups of flour. Done with that. And then baking powder. 2 teaspoons of this. And then a fourth of a teaspoon of salt. And then whisk that together. And then before I put eggs in, before I crack an egg and use it, I like to take the egg and crack it in a separate little bowl. There's one. And then I guess I need another bowl, don't I? Second egg. And then going to whisk my eggs. And then I've already measured out my milk right here. So we're going to pour the milk in, and pour the eggs in. Then I'm going to stir it carefully. And so while we've been doing this, our pan is heating up. Pancake batter. Okay. Alright, and now I'm going to come over here. Take this right here. And then I like to use a little silicone spatula to scrape along the edge of the bowl. So I use like an oil spray. And then, so if we're going to make this for caterpillar, what we need are a lot of small pancakes. This is going to be the caterpillar's body parts. Is that hard for you to imagine, or can you imagine it? It's going to be really fun. And then we're going to let these cook. And when we start seeing a lot of bubbles, that's how we'll know that it's been cooked on that side. So I'm going to pause the video and then I'll come back when it's time to flip these over, okay? Okay, it is time to turn the pancakes. I'm not sure if you can see the bubbles. So we're going to carefully flip these over. You hear it sizzle when I put it back on the pan. They're hard to turn sometimes. Ah, there we go. These two are connected. Uh-oh. Sometimes they're hard to flip. 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 Okay, we'll be back when they're done. Okay, our pancakes done. Okay, so I'm going to arrange these so this is our caterpillar and I'm going to use blueberries for his feet. Two blueberries under each pancake. These are very big blueberries. They're a little too big. And then stay on there. And then I'm going to take this is like an antenna, kind of. And then I'm gonna use chocolate chips for his eyes. Tell me, does this look like a caterpillar? How cute is that? And then you get to eat it. And the next one we're gonna do is a lion. And so for a lion, we need one large pancake, and I would say one small to medium pancake. There we go. Okay, we'll be back once it's time to flip this over. Okay, it is time to flip the pancakes. Ready? Quickly. Oh my gosh. There, look at that. It's going to be a lion pretty soon. All right, we will come back when it's time to assemble the lion. Okay, we're back. All right, it is time to, let me see, get my plate, and then I'll do it like this. So this is the lion's face. And this is the lion's, part of his face, I guess it's going to be his nose and his mouth. All right, let's come over here. And I'm going to assemble this. So, take some blueberry for an eye, and another blueberry for an eye. Going to take strawberries for around his head. This is for the lion's mane. I hope this looks like a lion. Let's see. Then I'm going to do trying to pick a strawberry that I think will look like a good nose. Not bad. And then I'm going to use chocolate chips to make his mouth. Do you think he's smiling? We'll make him smile. And if you don't have strawberries, you could probably cut up some bananas, or if you had some orange slices or clementines. So, ta-da! There's a lion. All right, the next one that we're going to do is a pig. And so the pig is going to have, kind of like the lion, it'll be one large pancake, a small one, and then I'm going to try to make these little triangular shaped pancakes, which might be a little hard to do. I'll do my best. All right. We'll be right back when it's time to turn them. Okay, we're back. It is time to flip the pancakes. There's the big one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, jeez. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. And here's the other one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I did it. And these are kind of some sad looking ears, but they'll have to do. There. See that? It's all the pieces of what's going to be a pig. All right, I'll come back when it's done. Hey, we're back. Got my plate. Going to just the pig's head. This is the pig's nose. And there we go. All right, come over here. Okay, so our pig, going to make it, looks a little lopsided. Okay, so I'm going to use blueberry and another blueberry, and then for the nose, I guess they're his nostrils. He sort of looks like a bear there, but this is a pig. So there we have it. There's the pig, there's the lion, and there is the caterpillar. And you could also, if you look online, like I saw a monkey, you could do a dog, I saw a butterfly, saw a ladybug. So those are just some of the ones that you can do. But I hope that you enjoyed this video and let me know if you make pancakes. All right, bye.